In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A25 and today I would like to show you how you can change screen time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in Caffeine and install this free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. When you're ready, open it. Now select OK in Welcome pop-up. Tap on Timeout and make sure that Infinite is on. When you're finished, you can close your app and go into Tap menu. Now click on this pen at the top right corner. Select Edit under Full. Look for Caffeine shortcut and when you find it, add it to Tap menu. Then hit Done. Go back. Go into Tap menu one more time and click on your new shortcut to activate it. Lastly, select the display switcher next to Allow Permission and go back one last time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!